सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 3, verse number 32. ये त्वेतदभ्यसूयन्तः नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतम् सर्वज्ञानविमूढांस्तान् विद्धि नष्टान चेतसः। Lord Krishna explaining about that karma yoga, that which is prescribed in the scriptures. Whoever follow my teachings, that which I have given in the scriptures, varna dharma, ashrama dharma, their duties, without any critical mind. Asuyantaha means critical mind. Abhyasuyantaha means with criticism, criticizing the Shastra. That people can never attain Shreyas. And they are also indiscriminate people. Viveka is not there for them. Without criticism, with discrimination, whoever follow, they will get the benefit. Their life will be peaceful, happy. Therefore, Arjuna, you also perform your Swadharma. Varna dharma for Arjuna is what? Fighting, protecting dharma. Kshatriya dharma is to destroy the enemies who are adharmic. So you follow your Varna dharma. Similarly, Brahmana has to follow his Brahmana dharma. Dharma's duties have been given: teaching, studying, administration, business, agriculture, service. Brahmana karma, Kshatriya karma, Vaishya karma, Shudra karma, all karmas are prescribed by the Shastra according to their Swabhava. One has to do their duty. All duties are equally good. No karma is inferior. Looking at any action inferior is our mental problem, our attitude problem. Clear? Therefore, never look down upon any type of action. All type of actions are that which are prescribed by Shastra are wonderful for the upliftment of the society. If I take a Shudra karma or something, the scavengers and all those are cleaning, really speaking, because they cleaned that drainage today, because of them only we are able to sit here. There is some problem in the drainage. Really, how much they have helped us today now. Can you say it is inferior karma? So, for the whole society's survival, every action should be taken care of. Similarly, Vaishyas, the business, agriculture, Vyavasaya, they have to do production. That is Varna dharma. Kshatriya rulers have to protect the dharma. And Brahmanas protect the dharma by teaching. So everyone has to contribute their role. No? Everyone has to contribute their responsibility to the society. So therefore, without any criticism, with the discrimination, whoever follows, they will get fulfillment in their life. Otherwise, nashtana chetasaha. Sarvajnana vimudhan. If anyone criticizes the Shastra or Shastric injunctions, they are only losers. They are only the losers. Therefore, Bhagavan condemned the karmin. Bhagavan condemning the karmis, kevala karmis, are not at all doing action. Some people, laziest people, irresponsible in the society. Now we'll look into the shloka number 33. Up to here we saw in the last class. Sadrisham cheshtate swasyaha prakritir jnanavanapi prakritim yanti bhutani nigrahah kim karishyati. So in the previous two shlokas, 31 and 32, Lord Krishna talked about the two people, Viveki and Aviveki, discriminate person and indiscriminate person. Now here in this shloka, Lord Krishna is pointing out everyone perform their duty according to their swabhava. Everyone perform their duties, perform some actions according to their nature, prakriti. No one can change that swabhava. Krishna himself brings that point, and he is going to condemn it also. Again, how he is going to deal this topic, you look into that. He says, swasyaha. Swasyaha means one's own. Swasyaha prakritehe. Prakritehe means nature. One's own nature. Swasyaha prakritehe sadrisham. According to that. According to their own nature. Swasyaha prakritehe sadrisham means according to their own nature. Sadrisham cheshtate. One acts, one performs the action according to their own nature. Now, what do you mean by prakriti here? Prakriti means, Shankaracharya says, prakriti nama purva krita dharma adharmadi samskaraha. Vasana. Swabhava means vasana. Purva janma dharma adharma. Punya papa karma moolama samskaram irukum manaskulla. That is called vasana. Samskara. That samskara alone, now with that only we are functioning. That is called prakriti. Avanude swabhavam ani solrom illiyo. Ye eppadi vandhu andha swabhavanna purva janma vasana. That's why we cannot change the people so easily. Avarude swabhavam ani solluvom. Avarude swabhavana. So, purva janma krita dharma adharmadi samskaraha. What will happen? Vartamana janmau abhivyaktaha. Vartamana janma. In the janma will abhivyaktaha. It manifest. we will talk, we will behave according to our purva janma samskar. Adida prakriti anna. That is the meaning of prakriti or swabhava. That is the meaning. ஸ்வபாவம்னா என்ன புரியுறது? நம்ம பூர்வ ஜென்மத்தில் பண்ணது அந்த சம்ஸ்காரம் வந்து இப்போ மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஆகிறது நம்ம பிஹேவியர், in the form of our behavior. That is called prakriti. Swasyaha prakritehe sadrisham chestate. They act. Who? Not ordinary people. Jnanavanapi. Even wise person also. Wise person also. That is why we ask, always people ask the question, Durvasa is such a great rishi. How he is so angry, how he can get anger, such a great Maharshi Rishi. What do we say? Swabhava. This is the period people ask. Durvasanukku ஏன் கோபம் வருது? உனக்கு வருது, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீ பார்த்துக்கண்ணா. துர்வாசன் தான் they will bring example. சொல்றேன், இதெல்லாம் ஸ்வபாவம்னு சொல்லுவோம். பூதானி, next line. Bhutani prakritim yanti. Now first line is clear. Everyone behave according to their purva janma vasana. In this janma they behave. Then second line, Krishna says, Bhutani yanti prakritim. All beings. Bhutani means all beings. Here beings means especially human beings. Okay. Especially human beings. All beings. Bhutani yanti prakritim or prakritim yanti means go by their nature. Prakritim yanti. Go by their nature. Dharma adharmadi samskarataya they will behave. Go by their nature. Then nigrahaha kim karishyati. Krishna himself says, the disciplines, injunctions given by the Shastra, nigrahaha means disciplines, injunctions given by the Shastra, kim karishyati. All these Shastric injunctions are enna panna mudiyum? Ennide swabhavam eppo appadha பண்ணுவேன். That is why Duryodhana said what? Janami dharmam nachame pravrittihi. எனக்கு தர்மம் என்கிறது என்னமோ தெரியும், ஆனாலும் பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஜானாமி அதர்மம், எது அதர்மமோ கூட தெரியும், ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு கம் அவுட் ஆஃப் இட். ஏன்னா அவ்வளோதான் என்னுடைய ஸ்வபாவம் சொல்லிட்டான். நிகிரஹ கிம் கரிஷ்யதி. What nigraha? Disciplining, restraining myself. How is going to help me to stop my swabhava? This is the verse. This verse, this shloka is the shloka which attacks the free will. You know, free will na purushartha. நமக்குன்னு ஒரு ஃப்ரீ வில் இருக்க, இப்படி நினைச்சா இப்படி பண்ணலாம்னு ஒரு புருஷார்த்தம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது அட்டாக் பண்ணுறது. இது இதெல்லாம் தலராதப்பா. ஹரிணாபி ஹரேணாபி லலாட லிகிதா ரேகா பரிமார்த்தும் ந சக்கியதே. இந்த நம்மளோட தலையெழுத்து எப்படி எழுதிருக்கோ, விதி விராத்தான்னு பகவான் பிரம்மாஜி when he is giving birth அப்படி எழுதி வச்சிருக்காருங்க நம்ம முகம் மேல, நீ இப்படிதான். ஹரிணாபி ஹரேணாபி, ஈவன் விஷ்ணு ஆகட்டும் சிவன் ஆகட்டும், ஹரிணாபி ஹரேணாபி பிரம்மணாபி, அவனை எழுதினவரை அவரே ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. லலாட்ட லிகிதா, தெரியுமில்லையோ லலாட்ட லிகிதா ரேகா, இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிருக்கு. பரிமார்த்தும் ந சக்கியது. அந்த பல்லாண்டு இருக்க தெரியுமோ, பல்லாண்டு பூண்டு, பல்லாண்டுன்றது சான்ஸ்கிரிட்டு, தமிழ் பூண்டுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். கார்லிக், அந்த கார்லிக் நீங்கள் அதுக்கு ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு. அந்த ஸ்லோகம் என்னென்னா, ஒரு வாட்டி சொன்னேன், திருப்பி ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுறேன். கற்பூர தூளி ரச்சிதால வாலக. இந்த கற்பூரம், இந்த யூ டேக் திஸ் ஆனியன் கார்லிக் நல்ல ஒரு சில்வர் பாட்டில் வச்சுருங்க, சில்வர் கோல்டன் பாட்டில் வச்சுட்டு நிறைய அது மேலே யூ கேன் போர் திஸ் வாட்டர் கஸ்தூரி, நல்ல ஸ்மெல் வரும் கஸ்தூரி. யூ கேன் புட் த கஸ்தூரி ஆன் தட். கஸ்தூர தூளி, கற்பூர தூளி ரச்சிதால வாலக, யூ கேன் புட் டு தட், apply it, smear with that karpuram, and கஸ்தூரிகா குங்கும லிப்த தேகான். நல்ல கஸ்தூரி எல்லாம் என்னென்ன வாசனை வருதோ நல்ல வாசனை எல்லாம் யூ அப்ளை இட். கஸ்தூரிகா குங்கும லிப்த தேகா. தென் சம் சுவர்ண கும்பை பரிசிஞ்சமானக, நல்ல பன்னீர் கொண்டு வந்து, என்ன பன்னீர்னு, பன்னீர் கோல்டன் பாட்டில், and pour on this பூண்டு, okay, garlic. After 1 week, okay, let it be there in 1 week in பன்னீர் கஸ்தூரி கற்பூரம் அதில் இருக்கட்டும். Then after 1 week you take it out. அப்பா நல்ல ஸ்மெல் தெரிஞ்சு பாருங்க. You keep near your nose, எப்படி இருக்கும்? அப்படியே இருக்கும். Garlic, it cannot leave its smell. ஸ்வபாவம் அப்படிதான் అని சொல்றான். People say ஸ்வபாவம் also like that only. This is what they think, but the Lord Krishna is going to say, see, if it is so, everyone behave according to their swabhava, what is the tragedy? You need not have courts, law, regulation, rules and regulation not necessary. Criminal also claim, this is my swabhava. Judge cannot do anything. There is no need of lawyers, police, it's all not necessary at all. Because everybody is behaving according to their own. You need not punish them. You cannot punish because they are behaving according to their behavior, swabhava, prakriti. Free will not work there. Your effort will not work. Angry person also can claim like that only. It's my swabhava and chulva. That's why many people say when they are angry, no, it's my swabhava, na enna panna mudiyum. You have to adjust. Short tempered, and you have to adjust. They will advise others. Krishna says no. Your prakriti is not good. You have to change. Free will is there. Now, Purushartha you have to accept. For that, he is giving answer. He himself said this shloka and he is answering. He himself posed a question. Him karishyati. Then the whole Shastra will become redundant. Dharma Shastra will become redundant. Useless, meaningless. You cannot talk values to your children. According to their nature, you have to look at them. You need not teach any disciplines to your children. If it is so, same prakriti swabhava they behave. Therefore, Lord Krishna says, free will is there. One has to use the free will. What he says. Now look into the shloka number 34. Indriyasyendrayasyaarthe ragadveshau vyavasthitau tayor navashamagachet tau hyasya paripanthinau. So, Prakriti, there are two types of Prakriti. Shastriya Pravritti. Prakriti means what? Swabhava towards an action called Pravritti. Pravritti towards an action based on Shastric injunction. Shastriya Pravritti. Swabhava Pravritti ni rendu Pravritti irukku. Shastriya Pravritti, Swabhava Pravritti. Shastriya pravritti means that person life is governed by the shastric rules, injunctions. And swabhavika pravritti means that expression comes in the form of likes and dislikes. Very, very important point this is. Swabhavika pravritti, prakriti siddhamana pravritti is that which is backed by raga, dvesha. Raga means likes, dvesha means disliking. This is called swabhavika pravritti. Now Lord Krishna analyzing this swabhava. Swabhava he is analyzing, and why this swabhava backed by what? The raga dvesha, your likes and dislikes. Swabhavika pravritti. In Shastriya pravritti, his life, his actions are governed by the Shastra. Now, free will present pannanamanna, you have to understand the swabhavika pravritti, shastriya pravritti. If a maximum society is, their routine is swabhavika pravritti. Swabhavika pravritti. Be backed by raga and dvesha. Whenever I take any decision, backed by my likes and dislikes. Whenever I talk also, backed by my likes and dislikes. Whenever I think also, backed by my likes and dislikes. Whereas another person who is well versed in Shastra, scriptures, who study, that person whenever he is performing any action before that, that action is governed by the Shastric injunctions. இதில் சாஸ்திரத்தில் சொல்லியிருக்க இல்லையா இது பண்ணணும்னு, இது பண்ணக்கூடாது, இது பண்ணணும். தூமபானம் ந குறியாத், சாஸ்திரிக் இன்ஜங்ஷன். நான் எனக்கு பிடிக்கும் தூமபானம் என்ன, ஏன்னா ஸ்மோக்கிங் ஐ லைக். திஸ் லைக்கிங் பேக்டு பை வாட்? ராக. திஸ் ஸ்வபாவா ஆஃப் ஸ்மோக்கிங் பேக்டு பை லைக்கிங். ஸோ ஹி கோ ஃபார் தட். But whereas this person who understood the Shastra, in that Madhyapanam na swikuryat, don't take liquor, don't do smoking, all these injunctions. Even if likes dislikes pradhanam illa, Shastra solradhu pannakoodadu. Therefore he stops. See now this Swabhava and Shastriya pravritti. It is Swabhava pravritti. He drinks, eats meat and lot of things. Ella khavo, pivo, maja karo. No. This person, no. Shastra says this is wrong. I should not do. அப்போ இவனுக்கு ஸ்வபாவம் இல்லையான்னா இருக்கா, ஆனாலும் சாஸ்திரா இஸ் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட், நாட் ராகத்வேஷா. புரியுறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அதுதான் சொல்றாரு பகவான் இங்க. கிளியர்? That is very important. Swabhavika pravritti and Shastriya pravritti. Swabhavika pravritti will not protect the person, save the person, will not give any security to the person. Shastriya pravritti alone is the safest, the best method. We have to follow. That is the meaning he is going to present here in this shloka. Look into the shloka. Indriyasya arthe. Indriyasya means in that respect of every sense organ. Indriyam anna sense organ. Sense organ we know. Eyes, nose, ears, taste, skin, touch, smell. All these are sense organs. These sense organs, karmendriyani also there. Vak, pani, pada, payu, upastha, karmendriyani. Jnana indriyani and karmendriyani indriyasya arthena, corresponding to their own sense objects. In respect of every sense organ, with reference to every sense object. So the eyes always, they never want to do the job of ears. Ears never want to do the job of eyes. They cannot do, cannot enter in the field of that other organs. Clear? Genuinely they are doing their own job. Thank God. Okay. Indriyasya arthe. Clear? வந்த உடனே எப்படி இருக்க ஹாலு, இடம் எப்படி இருக்க, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கிறோம். All sense organs very very sensitive today. In a new place, no? New place, they are very sensitive. Sound, forms, smell, touch. நல்ல கூலா இருக்க இல்லை, அட்மாஸ்பியர் எப்படி இருக்கா பார்த்தா. இந்திரியஸ்ய அர்த்தம். என்னோட பிளேஸ் கரெக்டா இருக்கா இல்லையா, நான் எங்க உட்கார்ந்துருக்கேன், நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்லேருந்து இதுதான் என்னோட பிளேஸ். சில பேருக்கு அங்கே உட்கார்ந்தாதான் புரியும். எக்ஸாக்ட்லி அந்த பிளேஸு அந்த சீட்டு கரெக்டாக இருந்தாதான் சுவாமினி அப்படியே டீச்சிங் இட் வில் என்டர். என்னதுன்னா இந்திரியஸ்ய அர்த்தே. Lord Krishna says, ராக துவேஷௌ வியவஸ்திதௌ. இந்த லைக்ஸ் டிஸ்லைக்ஸ் உண்டப்பா, கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா என்னோட சீட்டு லைக்கிங், அது வேற சீட்டுன்னா எனக்கு இங்கதான் உட்காரணம். லைக்ஸ் அண்ட் டிஸ்லைக்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். இந்திரியஸ்ய அர்த்தே likes and dislikes vyavasthitau always will be there. I like this food, I don't like this food. I like this music, I don't like this music. I like these colors, I don't like these colors. So indriyasya arthe. Objects, no? Raga dvesha means ishte ragaha, anishte dveshaha. Ragam anna enna ragam? Anuragam, attachment, not any other music raga. Raga means attachment. Ishte ragaha, attachment in what? Ishte, what I like. What I like, upon that I have raga. Anishte dveshaha, எனக்கு பிடிக்காதுன்னா என்ன வரும்? உடனே change the face. I don't like it. I don't like it. Then just like that, no? Very casually they say. Shastra says, useless fellow. You are governed by your ishta and anishta. Therefore, these are all ragadesho vyavasthitau. Arthe means towards the sense objects. Shabdadi vishaye ityartha. Arthe means shabda adipadat, rupa, smell, all rasa, gandha, adipadat. Shabda means sound, etc. Etc. means you have to supply. What do you have to supply? Smell, touch, taste, all these things you have to, forms you have to supply. That's the arthe. Towards sense objects, vyavasthitau, are bound to be there. அப்பா கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா சொல்லிட்டாரு, அதுக்கு தான் எனக்கு அப்படியே இருக்கு சொல்லுவோம். Bound to be there. Vyavasthitau means what? Sthitau. Vyavasthitau means they are bound to be there. That's why dosha என்ன ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். இட்லி என்ன சில பேருக்கு பிடிக்கும், சில பேருக்கு பிடிக்காது. சில பேருக்கு இந்த ஸ்வீட்டு தான் பிடிக்கும், சில பேருக்கு அது பிடிக்கவே பிடிக்காது. சில பேருக்கு அது பார்த்தா தான் நல்லா பிடிக்கும், இது பார்த்தா பிடிக்காது. ஏன்னா வியவஸ்திதம். அதுதான் Swamiji used to give an example. Even a sannyasi gnani goes to a bhiksha somewhere or some conference meeting, they keep all dishes, food dishes. All India conference எங்கெங்க நடத்தாலும் கூட from all over the country they come. Punjabis will come, Maharashtrians will come, Telugu people will come, Kannadas will come, Malayalis will come. All languages from all states they come. You know the food, lot of differences. The chapati, parota one side, idli, dosha, sambar in one side. In the all are sannyasis, jnanis. இவன் எங்கே போவான்? Where they will go? This ஞானி, பஞ்சாபி ஞானி goes to the parota side. சாம்பார். ராகத்வேஷம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? இருக்கு. That means what? There is ishta, there anishta. Natural, bound to be there. Nothing wrong. Preferences we say. These are all called preferences. Therefore, Lord Krishna says, Ragadvesha Vyavastita, first line over. Now the second line, warning. First line, he is very free. You are all having lot of Ragadvesha, I know. But, Tayoho Vasham Na Agachet. Hey Arjuna, you should not. Tayoho means those Ragadveshayoho. Of them, of their, these two, anartham. Tayoha means of these two. Of these two means what? Raga and Dvesha. Likes and dislikes. Tayoho Vasham Na Agachet. You should not come under the control of Raga and Dvesha. You should not come under the control, under the spell of likes and dislikes. Never become slave to your likes. Never become slave to your dislikes. Conditions. Conditioned life. Never become like that. Never become controlled by them. Kashtanda. Tayoho vasham na agachet. Then why I should not be controlled by them, raga dvesha? What is the reason? The reason is tau hi asya paripanthinau. Hey Arjuna, they are your enemies. They are like thieves. Taskaraha. Shankaracharya writes in his bhashyam, this raga dvesha are like taskaraha. Taskara anna thief. Thief enna பண்ணுவா? He steals everything. வீட்டில் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு போயிடுவான். He takes away everything. Similarly, this raga dvesha, two thieves like enemies. Thieves are our enemies or friends? Thieves are our enemies. These two, raga and dvesha, likes and dislikes, are your enemies. Like thieves, they will take away your discriminative wealth. உன்னுடைய விவேகம் அங்கற அந்த விவேகம் என்னது? your treasure, your wealth, they will take away. என்னது? ராகத்வேஷா. What? The ragadvesha in our own mind, what we are talking about? Swabhava. Swabhava is that which is backed by the ragadvesha. Ragadvesha is that both of them are like enemies. Person look at them as his enemies. Nama enna pandrom? We are taking them as friends. And often we use, I like this, I don't like this. That's why don't use that word now onwards. எனக்கு இது பிடிக்கும், எனக்கு இது பிடிக்காதுன்னு சொல்லாதுங்க. அது எப்படி சுவாமினி சொல்லாமல் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்னா? I prefer this ன்னு சொல்லுங்க. Swamiji use this beautiful word. Instead of saying I like this, I dislike this, you use another word, better word. What is that word? I prefer this, I don't prefer this. அது பரவாயில்ல, கொஞ்சம் ஒரு அளவுக்கு ஓகே மேனேஜ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தயோஹோ வசம் ந ஆகச்சேத் தௌஹி அஸ்ய பரிபந்தினௌ. Asya means his, that person. Who is that person? The person of this Vedantic scriptures use. Who is that subject? Mumukshu. And very important. A mumukshu, the one who wants moksha, liberation, self-knowledge in his life, that persons in the raga dveshas are enemies. Not for all people. Whoever wants moksha, whoever wants liberation, self-knowledge in this life, they want to be free from sorrow. For them only this is relevant, not for all people. We are not talking to them, mic lo vechittu poi all of you give up raga dvesha mic lo chalaliye. We are not telling on the road. Those who are mumukshus are coming to the class, those are interested in Jivan Mukti, Lord Krishna is addressing. That means Arjuna asked for Shreyas. Bhagavan, please tell me what is Shreyas for me. What is best? That which takes me to the moksha. Bhagavan asked, Arjuna asked, Arjuna, now you are a mumukshu. Unakku in the raga dvesham vandi enemies appa, give up. Enna, I don't want to kill Bhishma, you said. I don't want to kill Drona. Why? Mama. Mama. Aham tesham te mama. No, I belong to them. They belong to me. What is this? Raga. So this raga, dvesha, dominated in the Arjuna's mind. You have asked for me for moksha. Therefore, you as a mumukshu, give up this raga, dvesha. Your life should not be governed by swabhava. That swabhava which is backed by the raga, dvesha, because that raga, dveshas are enemies. Therefore, your life must be governed by Shastra. Your life must be governed by Shastra. Acharya writes in his Bhashyam beautifully, if a person takes Swabhava backed by Raga Dvesha, Shastra will become meaningless. Shastra nirardhakam. Shastra become meaningless. Okay, suppose person is naturally good. Naturally good, there is no need. Shastra allows him. According to a good person, Swabhava you behave. But there is a possibility of a person that goes according to Swabhava. Therefore, Shastra injunctions are required. That's what he said. Another important point we have to note here, in between Swabhava and Karma, very important point. என்னோட ஸ்வபாவம் இப்படி, இந்த ஸ்வபாவம் மூலமாக நான் இப்படி பிஹேவ் பண்ணுறேன், இந்த கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாம் பண்ணுறேன். இந்த ரெண்டு பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இன்னொன்று இருக்க மிடில் தாட். எஸ், யுவர் ஸ்வபாவா இஸ் தேர், பட் பிஃபோர் யூ ஆர் புட்டிங் இன் டு ஆக்ஷன் யுவர் தாட் இஸ் தேர். எவ்ரி திங் தாட் ஃபார்மில் தான் வரும். This thought, Swabhava can never continue or survive without the support of thought. Very important. Our own Swabhava, either good or bad, can never continue or survive without the support of the thought. Now, in the thought, அந்த ஸ்வபாவன்னு சம்ஸ்காரத்தை trigger பண்ணுறது. This thought, triggering the good thought, good action, good swabhava and bad swabhava. Shubha vasana and Ashubha vasana. Thought formula. இது பண்ணு. ஏய் பண்ணாதே. இந்த தாட்ஸ் ரெண்டு வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. Before I am putting into action. Bhagavan says, Tayoho vasham na agacchetan anartham. You should not become slave to them, controlled by them. Anartham. Before you are putting into action, change your thoughts. If they are wrong, if they are bad for you and for the society and for family, either smoking or drinking or telling lies or doing harm to others, it's my vasana. You should not say. Before you are implementing, thought varda illaya, and the thought ne convert that thought into shastric thought. Clear? Ingada Purushartha Lord Krishna introduced. Ingada free will. You have free will to change the mode, direction of your thought. In the thought, it is telling, hey, this is wrong. No, I will go this side. Even though class has changed, even a little bit away from my house, a little bit far, let me go to Gita class only. You have changed your thought. No, it is very far. I can't go to Pandi Bazaar. Heavy traffic. Therefore, I will skip the Bhagavad Gita class. What thought? Skipping the class. Your thought only. Now it is your will. Whether to go to the class or not to attend the class. And the thought alone triggers the action. The course of action backed by the thought, which thought based on Swabhava. So the thought you can change. Clear? Anger thought Swabhava. Short tempered. The thought valiya varum. Vandhukku appuram action. Shouting. Verbally action doing. And the verbal action varathukku munnadi in the thought enna pannanum? Even though my Swabhava is angry nature, but it is not good for a mumukshu especially. It's not good for all people. It is not good. Anger is not good. But especially for mumukshu, it is not at all good. Appadi sollikanu. It is not at all good. Therefore, and the thought eppadi pannanum? Shantam. Aham shantaha. Aham shantaha. இப்படி சொல்லியிருக்கணும். இந்த மாதிரி அபியாசம் பண்ணி my free will I have to use and I have to direct my life into Shastric way of life. என்னுடைய ஸ்வபாவம் சொல்லி விடக்கூடாது. Can you leave your children if they say it's my swabhava? How much pain you get? No அம்மா, you change அம்மா, இந்த மாதிரி நல்லது இல்லைம்மான்னு சொல்றாளே இல்லையா? This is not good. This is not good. Don't talk like that. Respect others. I don't care for anybody. Na? Be careful. You are giving warning. If it is his swabhava, you cannot withstand with that person. Therefore, every one of us has to change our swabhava. If it is Shubhavasana is there, very well and good. If it is not, jealousy, desire, too much desire, anger, pride, vanity, all these I have to curb by changing my mode of thought. This is the abhyasathi clue kudukurar Bhagavan. This is the clue. Now you have got the point. So stage number 1 is swabhava. Stage number 2 is thought. Stage number 3 alone is action. The action varthukku munnadi you have to change your thought. So swabhava is not predominant by the raga dvesha, but predominant by dharma and adharma. Next shloka. Shloka number 35. Shreyan swadharmo vigunaha paradharmastvअनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः. Very important shloka. The 34 also very important. 33, 34, 35 all are important shlokas. Now Lord Krishna is telling in this shloka, Shreyan swadharmaha vigunaha shreyan. He says, paradharma means not doing your own duty and doing others' duty. Varna dharma. Suppose a Brahmana has to do his duty, that is learning and teaching, propagating the dharma by teaching. Okay, propagating dharma by teaching. So Brahmana karma. Kshatriya karma is, his duty is protecting the dharma by ruling, administering law and order in the society. This is his duty. That is swadharma. And Vaishya, he has to do agriculture, business and bringing lot of production in the society and giving to the society swadharma. And Shudra, the person who is taking service, he has to do his swadharma. In the 4 varnas, 4 varnas has to do their swadharma according to them. Not only that, ashrama dharma also. Brahmachari should do brahmacharya karma. Sandhyavandanam pandrathu, padikkirathu, reading. And grihastha has to do household duties, taking care of parents, doing Panchamaha Yajnas, lot of functions, festivals he has to do. Grihastha, ashrama, grihastha karma. Then vanaprastha, upasana, meditation, all these things he has to do. Secluded life. Vanaprastha, ashrama, karma. Varna, dharma, ashrama, karma, both should go hand in hand. Then sannyasa ashrama, jnana pradhanam. ఇప్పుడు పన్నడం. ఇప్పుడు పన్నామలే సపోజ్ ఏ బ్రాహ్మణ టేక్స్ క్షత్రియ కర్మ, పరధర్మ. Paradharma means what? Taking another person's job, work. Paradharma. Suppose Arjuna has to fight here. Swadharma. Ille na swadharma panna mate paradharma I will take. What is paradharma? Sannyasi ஒரு சன்னியாசி பிராமணன் பண்ண வேண்டிய வேலை என்ன, நான் ரிஷிகேஷ் போயிடுறேன், ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் கிங்டம், ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு ஃபைட். என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு ஃபைட், ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஸ்டே இன் ஃபாரஸ்ட். என்ன அர்த்தம்? இஸ் எ கிரகஸ்தா, வாண்ட் டு டேக் வானப்பிரஸ்தாசிரம and he want to take sannyasa dharma and not fighting in the battlefield, giving up swadharma, taking up paradharma, reading shastra and studying, dhyanam pandrana, adi paradharma. So swadharmam pannamale paradharmam he is going to take. Even if you take paradharma and perform very nicely, suppose, that is not good. ஸ்வதர்மா தப்பு தப்பா பண்ணாலும் கூட பரவாயில்ல அது சொல்றார் பகவான். யுவர் ஓன் டியூட்டி, இஃப் யூ டூ ராங்லி, சப்போஸ் சம்டைம்ஸ் ராங்லி, நல்லா பண்ண முடியல, இன்எஃபிஷியண்டா பண்ற, பரவாயில்ல, ஸ்வதர்மா பண்ணு. பரதர்மா எடுத்துட்டு நல்லா பண்ணிட்டா, எஃபிஷியண்டா ஸ்கில்ஃபுல்லா பண்ணிட்டா, இட் இஸ் நாட் குட். அப்படி என்னன்னு சொல்றாரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பாருங்க. ஸ்வதர்மா விகுணஹ அபி ஸ்ரேயான். Vigunaha anartham, not doing properly, improperly performed. Even though it is improperly performed, you are not able to, Brahmana is not able to do that priesthood, suppose, puja is, nalla panna mudiyala avarku, mantrangalella nalla theriyala, suppose, vechikkalame, ella theriyum, summa solren. Suppose anybody teaching or lecturer or professor, the teaching he has taken. Suppose he is not able to do his profession up to the mark, but he is doing swadharma. Krishna says, Shreyan, it is good. It will give moksha for him. Swadharmaha vigunaha api shreyaha. If you perform improperly also, okay. That's a Vaishya. Suppose he has to do business. Business sariya panna mudiyala. Is not able to do business. Agriculture also is not able to do properly. Nothing wrong. அப்படின்னா business சரியா பண்ண முடியலன்னு சொல்லி he should not take another profession. Therefore I will become an MP. I will want to rule the country. Because agriculture I am not able to do properly. Business I am not able to do properly. Therefore MP, MLA na chumma easy I can become. Politicians and I can earn money. அது யாருடைய கர்மா? Kshatriya karma. Maybe he is efficient in ruling, even though he should not take. Paradharma bhayavaha. Sugunaha api. Paradharma swa anushtitat, su anushtitat or swanushtitat. Properly performed paradharma is not good. Improperly performed swadharma is good. எப்படி பாருங்க, improperly performed swadharma is good. Properly performed paradharma is bad. இப்ப என்ன நடக்கிறது சொசைட்டில? பரதர்மம் தான் நடக்கிறது. All are taking, all Brahmins are taking the different professions. Brahmins are all doing Sudra karma. Servants, they are serving Shudra karma. Serving in the office is a Shudra karma. Brahmana should take up the teaching of Shastra in the society. They have to propagate dharma. And Kshatriyas and Vaishyas should help this Brahmana. They have to take care of this Brahmana who is propagating the dharma by teaching, by helping this Brahmana providing a sannyasi ahatam. Brahmana means here the one who has taken up the Shastric dharmic teaching. அவனுக்கு வேலை இருக்கா கூடாது. A sannyasi or who is teaching the Shastra, அவருக்கு ஒன்றும் வேலை இருக்கக்கூடாது. எப்போ சாப்பிடணும், படிச்சுட்டு தர்மம் இதுன்னு சொல்லணும், சாஸ்திரம்ல என்ன இனி இருக்கான்னு சொல்லணும். அவரு வீடு பத்தி யோசிக்க கூடாது, சாப்பாடு பத்தி யோசிக்க கூடாது, வஸ்திரம் பத்தி யோசிக்க கூடாது. எப்பவுமே புஸ்தகம் முன்னாடி வச்சுட்டு படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். He has go on reading and go to the public and tell about the dharma. This is dharma, this is dharmic life. If you follow this is good for your life. అని நிறைய பிரச்சாரம் பண்ணணும். நம்ம சாஸ்திரம் பத்தி ராமாயணம், பாரதம், பாகவதம் இதெல்லாம் பகவத்கீதா உபனிஷத்து எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கணும். அவர் இப்போ இந்த க்ஷத்ரியர் வைசியஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணணும், அவருக்கு துணையா இருந்து நீங்க நல்லா ப்ராபகேட் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்கு துணி, வீடு, வாசல் எல்லாமே, சாப்பாடு எல்லாமே நாம் பார்த்துக்கிறோம்னு சொல்லணும். க்ஷத்ரியாஸ் அண்ட் வைசியா they have to provide. And this Brahmana protecting dharma by teaching, these Vaishyas and Kshatriyas are protecting dharma by helping this Brahmana. They are also following dharma. These Brahmanas are also following dharma. And the Shudras also, they are doing their own duty. And all Varnas, Ashrama dharmas are intact. இப்படி என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா டாக்டே போயிடுது. அதுதான் சொசைட்டில இருக்கிற ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு இதுதான் காரணம். Nobody is taking the scriptural teaching. எல்லாரும் கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஸ்டடி, MBA, MCA, இன்ஜினியரிங் அங்கே போறானே தவிர ஒருத்தராவது இந்த பகவத்கீதா படிச்சு நான் பகவத்கீதா டீச் பண்றேன் யாராவது சொல்றேன்னு? காலக்ஷேபத்துக்காக படிக்கிறான். இது ராமாயணம் படிச்சுட்டு ராமாயணம் டீச் பண்ணணும், பாரதம் டீச் பண்ணணும், தர்மம் பத்தி சொல்லணும், மோட்சம் பத்தி சொல்லணும். Nobody is coming to for Brahmana profession. Everybody is going to Shudra profession. Shudra சர்வீஸ். பேங்க்ல ஜாப் வந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும், ரயில்வேல ஜாப் வந்தா அது நல்லா இருக்கும், என்ன ஃப்ரீ பாஸ், இப்படி நினைக்கிறானே தவிர ஐயோ நம்ம நூல்கள் இதெல்லாம் சொல்லிருக்கு, இதெல்லாம் தர்மம் பத்தி சொல்லணும், நாட்டுல தர்மம் இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? So everybody run for same one profession. What will happen? Competition, cutthroat, unemployment. Thousands of unemployees are coming from engineering colleges. Thousands for every year, because of all are going to the same profession. No one is there to do agriculture nowadays. They are leaving the lands and they are rushing towards these cities. So there is a disturbance. Nobody is teaching dharma. That is why rulers are also do not know dharma. All thumb printing da. Nobody knows dharma shastra because Brahmanas are not teaching. Kshatriyas, rulers do not know dharma, and all are running for sophisticated life, materialistic life, simple living, high thinking ille. See the disturbance in the society. All disturbances cause நம்ம விட்டுட்டோம், நம்ம சாஸ்திரம் எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டோம். அது நாம்கே வாஸ்து இருக்க ஸ்கெலிட்டன் ஷேப்ல. பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸ் எப்படி இது? People should come rush. It is not just only moksha shastra. It teaches us to how to live in the society, how to keep. That's what Bhagavad Gita Shankaracharya writes in first introduction. Abhyudaya Shreyas should be taken care of by the Kshatriyas and Vaishyas, and Nishreyas should be taken care of by Brahmanas. Teaching people that people should be there, and teaching people and this taking care of the society, both should go hand in hand. Bhagavan says, Swadharme nidhanam shreyaha. Even if you die in performing swadharma, Arjuna, that is good. Even you die also. Better fight. Don't worry. Paradharma bhayavaha. If you take up another's paradharma, it is more dangerous. You will never get moksha. That's why people are becoming materialistic. Dharma shastram theriyadu. Life ku or purpose theriyadu. Moksha angiradhe marandito epo. That's why we should study shastra to know what is life. நம்ம லைஃப் என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காகவே சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கணும். புரியுறதா? Therefore Lord Krishna tells in this shloka, which is very, very important. More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.